Is Susan and Linda Atelier legit or just another online scam? I did a quick test and looked into what real customers are saying. So, the store, found at susanlinda.com, advertises these timeless, handcrafted tote bags with free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. On the surface, it looks like a cute boutique brand, but there are some serious red flags. First, a lot of buyers report receiving very different products than advertised. Cheap, plastic-looking bags instead of the handcrafted items shown in ads. Second, this isn't the first name this store has used. Reports suggest the same operation has appeared under multiple storefront names, which is often a warning sign. And third, the refund process seems problematic. Customers mention delayed responses or being asked to ship items back internationally at their own cost. So, is it worth your money? Based on the available reports and patterns, I would be very cautious. It looks more like a dropshipping operation than a real boutique brand. If you already ordered, consider contacting your bank for a chargeback and report the ads.